Hello, today we are making avocado and banana smoothie. We'll be using limes, avocado, banana, pineapple. And you use how much ingredients of each fruit depending on how much of a juice that you want. If you want to use the full cup, you're going to be using a lot more. Or if you just want half of a cup, you're going to be using less ingredients. Usually I use a quarter of what I would normally make if I wanted just less than a half of a cup. You could use this product, real lime, 100% lime juice from concentrate. You could use that, or you can just take a lime and squeeze it and put it in your smoothie if you wanted to. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube page. I have many videos, recipe videos, and my harp music, harp ensemble music like Canon D's, one of my most popular, and Domestic Ducks in winter. And I have beautiful Scenic videos with my harp music for meditation, relaxing, ASMR. And soon it will be loom knitting videos and crocheting videos as well. I wanted to mention for the avocado smoothie that you need a little bit of water right here. Just fill it up to here, not too much, because you don't want it too diluted. Or you can use soy milk or non-dairy milk and just use a little bit to about right here. Sometimes I use soy milk and sometimes I use water. It just depends on what you have in your refrigerator for today. I ended up adding more water to it, depending on how thick you want your smoothie to be. Thank you for watching.